Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable live wallpaper in your iPhone. Now, this feature was disabled in iOS 16, but it has just come back in iOS 17 and above. So in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable live wallpaper. But before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the first step is go to your photos and just select a live wallpaper. Now after you selected it, just press on the share button on the bottom right, and after you do that, you will see an option called use as wallpaper. Tap on use as wallpaper and let it load. Now after you let it load, you will see an option right here. Now this is not the live version. You'll need to press on it, and now it just changes into live wallpaper. Now after you do that, just press on add, and after you do that, you can set it as pair. So after you do that, you can see right here you have a live wallpaper. So that is how you set a live wallpaper, and I'll teach you guys now how you can just click a live photo to set as a live wallpaper. To do that, just go to your phone's camera, and after you're on your phone's camera, you will see on the top right button there is the live button. Just press on it and make sure that it's glowing. After you do that, you can just click a photo, just click a photo with any movement, and that will just get saved as a live photo, and you can use that photo to just set your live wallpaper. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.